The 2026 Suzuki Samurai is a compact off-road SUV with the latest technology, an iconic retro design, and rugged off-road capability that remains its core. This car is projected to be a smaller and more affordable alternative to the Suzuki Jimny, while still offering a strong adventurous character. In this review, we'll cover everything from the exterior design and interior to engine performance and technology. In terms of appearance, the 2026 Suzuki Samurai combines classic styling with modern touches. The front features a simple grille with the Suzuki logo in the center, round LED headlights, and a bold bumper that gives a rugged impression. This design is inspired by the classic Samurai but updated with modern lighting technology. From the side, the car's body looks boxy and compact, with simple design lines that emphasize its off-road character. Large fenders, high ground clearance, and 16 to 17-inch alloy wheels reinforce the adventure-ready feel. Meanwhile, at the rear, the vertical LED lights and tailgate with spare tire mount give it an authentic, classic SUV feel. Overall, the design is simple yet highly iconic and functional. Stepping inside, the 2026 Suzuki Samurai offers a combination of utility and modern technology. The dashboard is minimalist in design and features materials that are resistant to outdoor use. In the center of the dashboard is an 8 to 9-inch infotainment screen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, and a rear-view camera. The seats are made of fabric or a synthetic leather combination designed to resist dirt and moisture. In terms of performance under the hood, Suzuki will likely offer a 1.5L naturally aspirated engine with a capacity of 1.5 liters, and power of around 102,110 horsepower, and torque of around 130,140 Nm, with transmission, 5-speed manual, 6-speed automatic. The car is also expected to use a 4WD system with a low-range transfer case, which is very important for traversing difficult terrain such as mud, rocks, or steep inclines. If produced globally, the 2026 Suzuki Samurai is estimated to be priced in the range of $23,000 to $28,000. This price would position it as a relatively affordable compact off-road SUV. The 2026 Suzuki Samurai has the potential to be a revival of the once popular compact SUV legend. If launched, the modern Samurai could be an attractive option for those seeking a tough, compact, and characterful vehicle. For true off-road enthusiasts, the Samurai name is more than just a car, it's a symbol of adventure.